Welcome everyone to this brand new video. In this video I'll be showing you how to download the modded version of Roblox in which you can get free unlimited Robux and a free store mod. And the best part about this modded version is that it is downloadable and compatible with both Android and iOS devices, which means it doesn't matter whichever device you're using. Just follow the steps I'll be showing you later in this video, because the best part about this video is that later in this video I will be deleting this Roblox from my iPhone, and then we'll be going through the downloading process again, and by the end of this video I'll have this game downloaded again in my iPhone. But don't worry about whichever device you're using, just follow the steps I'll be showing you later in this video, and by following those steps correctly and carefully, you'll be able to get this game downloaded into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices, and not just this game, but the modded version of this game. And even though I'm using an iPhone like I just said, the steps are exactly the same and they're conducted or executed in the exact same way, so you don't have to worry about whichever devices you're using. Just follow the steps and watch this video till the end, and you'll be able to know how to conduct those steps. The steps are exactly the same except for one point where Android users have to skip one step, and for that I'm here to guide you when and where to do so do not worry whatsoever. So if I had the normal version of Roblox and I wanted to purchase Robux, I would definitely go to the store and not have to pay real money to purchase those in-game Robuxes. However, with this modded version, that's not the case. As you can see, I'm on my store in my Roblox game, and since this is the modded version, all these different packages of Robuxes are costing me $0, which means I don't have to pay a single penny to purchase any of these Robuxes. And this way, I can go on to purchase as many Robux as I want, and I can purchase as many as I want. And there's no certain limit of how many Robuxes can I purchase, or there's no cooling down period of like at times there is a cooling down period. Like for example, if a player has purchased a certain amount of credits, he or she has to wait for a certain amount of time. There is nothing like that. No cooling down period, no certain limit. It is all infinite. The more you click, the more you get. Look at that. Look at that. I have 54,997 Robuxes right now, and I can increase this amount by purchasing these different packages. So it is amazing. It is incredible. This allows you to purchase as many Robuxes as you can, and makes your game a whole lot more fun, interesting, and easier to play, and you can access all those crazy stuff that you would not have been able to in the normal version, which makes this modded version a great version to play. So, as you can see, since I don't have to pay anything, the moment I click on a particular package, that particular amount being offered by that package is transferred to my personal Robuxes, and that way my personal balance increases by as many times as I click on a particular package. So this is how incredible this modded version is. It offers a lot of entertainment and fun for a player. Look at this. Okay, so definitely you have to try this out if you're like a normal player of Roblox. You will love this modded version because it will allow you and it will offer you more entertainment. However, if you are not if you're not like a usual player, this will definitely give you a head start with the game. So this is the Roblox Plus the modded version of Roblox. So what I'll be doing in a moment is that I'll be doing what I committed at the start of the video. I will be deleting this game from my phone so that we can sort of like go through the download process together, and so that the entire process seems easier to you, and that when you guys are downloading the game individually or independently, you can do it much more quickly, efficiently, and effectively. So as you can see, I have like about 61,000 roughly Robuxes. Now this is the Roblox Plus, the modded version of Roblox, which gives you free unlimited Robuxes and a free store mod. So basically, free unlimited Robuxes are availed through the free store mod, and this is what makes the modded version a crazy version of Roblox to play on your phone and definitely get the best type of entertainment you can possibly imagine. So what I'll be doing is that, as promised, I'll be deleting this game from my phone right now so that we can go through the download process together. Here we go. Now, first things first, you have to look at the settings of your own phone, which is going to be pretty simple and an easy task. So let's do that. And step number one is that you have to go down to your battery settings and make sure that the low power mode on your iOS devices and your power saving or battery saving mods on your Android devices has been turned off. So the power saving mods should be off on either of your Android and iOS devices. This is step number one, which is for both Android and iOS devices. Once you've done this, simply exit your battery settings and move on to step number two, which is only for iOS devices, and that is go to your general settings above Control Center, go to your background app refresh underneath the iPhone storage, and make sure it is on Wi-Fi and cellular data and on nothing else. This is step number two, which is only for iOS devices, and this was the step I was referring to earlier. This is where Android users have to skip a step, and this is only for iOS devices because there is no background app refresh in Android devices. After that, close the settings and hit open the browser for which all the cookies have been unblocked, or your normal browser. In the search engine bar, type this in carefully and correctly, ogmod.app. Type this in carefully and correctly and ensure correct spellings and no typos. And once you've typed that in, click search. And as soon as you do that, a list of modded games and apps will appear right in front of you this way. And this list is pretty extensive and long, and contains a lot of crazy things that you might be interested in downloading as soon as you see them. So search for the Roblox Plus over here, and there you go. It says free store mod, all items in store for free, unlimited Robuxes, 4.7 rating with iOS and Android compatibility. Click on it and click on the download now button to start the injection process, in which all the downloading processes are started simultaneously. Now, this will take, like in most cases, a few seconds to complete. However, in some cases it may take up to a minute or two, but that varies with your internet connection speed, so don't worry, just hang in there and let it complete. And there's no need for jailbreaking or rooting over here. It's as simple and straightforward as I'm showing you it is. And as soon as this loading finishes, you'll be asked to complete this one last step, in which you have to install 2 apps from the list given below and follow the instructions to complete the injection process. Now, each app has its own associated instruction which you have to complete in order to complete your instruction 1. So you have to complete 2 instructions, and definitely I'll be completing 2 easiest to follow instructions, and my first one is going to be present. I have to install this app and run it for 30 seconds. Now, these apps are downloaded from the official store, so they're 100% safe to use, and although they've instructed me to run it for 30 seconds, I will run it for 40 to 50 seconds to be on the safe side, and would recommend you guys to do the same as well. However, you might not notice it over here because the video has been fast forwarded to make it short, and rightfully so. My instruction number 1 has been completed. There we go. Now, my instruction number 2 is going to be another easy one, which will be Norton Secure VPN. I have to install this app and run it for 30 seconds, but again, I will run it for 40 to 50 seconds. Now remember, these apps are just downloaded as a formality to complete the injection process, and after that, they are unnecessary. So once your contents have been downloaded, you may delete these extra apps to optimize your storage if you have storage issues. And once you've completed both your instructions, simply close everything and return to your homepage, and your Roblox Plus will have been downloaded just the way it has been downloaded over for me in these few simple steps. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, and I'll see you next time in another cool video with another cool modded version. Until then, enjoy Roblox Plus, and see you next time.